Hi, my name is Lauren and I'm going to teach you how to cross stitch using this free pattern. For this, you're going to need your cross stitching pattern, your hoops, your canvas, your needle, floss, and a pen or a pencil if you need it. Alright, to begin with, you're going to gauge how big your pattern is going to be. I actually counted it out, so it's 38 long and then 30 tall. And with that, you're going to kind of guess which size hoop you want to use. So then once you have that, you're just gonna loosen this up and have the middle pop out. I'm gonna put that right there for now. All right, so you're gonna get your canvas next. I do have a scrap piece on hand that I used for a different project that didn't go through, so I think I'm just gonna use this one again. Now we're gonna put the canvas onto our hoop. So you're gonna take the outer piece, place it down, put your fabric in on top of it, just like so. You're gonna take your inner hoop and smush it in. Don't be afraid to use force. It can take it. So then you're gonna, once you have it in, you're gonna pull it super tight and taut. You don't want any bumps, lumps. You want a smooth canvas. So you're gonna tighten the top just to make sure that nothing moves. And there you go. Next is our floss. I'm gonna start with the green since that's the top of the pattern. It starts with Baby Yoda's face, so we're gonna use the green. You're going to pull out, see this little loose one right here? You're gonna pull it out, and then you're gonna use your scissors. Snip. Now the thing about floss is that it comes in different threads. There's 6 threads in this particular one. So we're gonna go with 2. You're gonna put your extra off to the side. You can choose to do a knot at this point if you want at the end of your thread. So now you're gonna get your needle and your needle threader. You're gonna stick the needle threader through the eye. I use the small part because the big one is obviously too big. And we're going to hook the thread like that and pull your needle off. And there you go. You are threaded. Now you're going to begin the actual cross stitching. So each square on the pattern equals a stitch. And I'll show you what I mean. So this first row has 10. So I'm going to, I came through one. You're gonna go across. And then from the back, you're going to come through, across, down, across. And now that I made it to 10, we are going to go right underneath the one that we just came through, just like as if we were gonna keep continuing, but this time we're gonna go the opposite direction. It's usually good to skip colors, different colors, instead of filling them in with X's, because then when you go in with the actual color that you want to put in, you have to go on top of the X's that you already put, and that's going to make it bulky. It's going to look a little wonky. So I just advise skipping these ones. So you're starting to reach the end of your thread and you don't know how to end it. Pretty simple. You're gonna stitch so that you're on the back, and then you're going to very carefully thread it underneath the back ones, and you just kind of cut off the extra tail, snip, and there you go. And then you just start with a fresh thread, and you continue where you left off. It's always good when you're cross stitching to, you know, take breaks. Don't try and rush it, you know, take your time, count your stitches as you go. Don't be discouraged if you don't finish a cross stitch as fast as you would like. It's not a race. This is a very pleasurable pastime. You can look at it later and be like, wow, you know, I made that with my own hands. You know, it's a good feeling to be able to say, I made that. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Have a good day.